Hello everyone. This is assignment number 12th, our last assignment and very important assignment for engineering students. Name of assignment is technical paper presentations. You should know, as a engineering student, you should know how to present your paper, which is a format, which is suitable format to present our technical paper. Technical paper means it is a form of creation. Any research, any new idea you will present in front of the world in the form of technical paper. So let us discuss how we can represent, publish, show your research, your creative ideas, your innovative thoughts in front of the public using IEEE format. IEEE format, it is a standard pattern which is used by all engineers professional to present his ideas, innovative thoughts, experience, research in front of the world. Let us discuss IEEE format and the importance of technical paper presentations. Practical significance. A paper presentation plays a key role in one's academic as well as professional life. It is always required to present a paper when it is required to share new concepts, knowledge, innovation with others. A well organized paper is accepted into technical publications and then is read and referred by others. A technical paper must be well written and style guide follow the style guide, norms and technical specification instructed by the publications. There are various formats used to present the technical paper. However, IEEE format is widely used by engineering professionals for presentation technical paper due to its simplicity and industry credibility. A diploma engineering student start presenting paper in the second year of his or her program. Thus, it is essential to know to have knowledge of IEEE format and other parameters to design and present it effectively. This learning experience gives exposure to communicate effectively and skillfully at workplace. Okay, beta, you should know technical paper presentations. Technical paper presentation, it is a platform, it is a font, it is a way, it is a pattern, it is a type, it is a mode, it is a medium to present your research, to present your innovative ideas, to present your new creative ideas in front of the world. As the engineering professions, it is very important to represent your innovative ideas to the audience. So you should require a well organized paper having specific font, specific format, and it is easily appreciated, accepted by the publications, publishers also, and it is presented through their publications, and it is widely referred, known, read by the audience. So engineering professionals require technical paper presentations, and IEEE, it is a very simple, widely renowned form which is used by all technocraft to represent their ideas, thoughts, feelings, and emotion in front of the ideas. As a diploma students, you also know the exact pattern of IEEE format. How to present your papers. Because from second year, it is your duty to represent your new thoughts in the form of technical paper presentations. So this assignments gives you, experience you to communicate effectively and skillfully at workplace using IEEE format. Let us discuss course outcomes. Basic knowledge is very important. Apply knowledge of basic mathematics, science, and basic engineering to solve the problems related to application of computers and communication services in storing, manipulating, and transmitting data, often in the context of a business or work of a business or other enterprises. Communication communicate effectively in oral and written form. Lifelong learnings engage in independent and lifelong learning along with the technological changes in the IT and applied industry. Course outcomes communicate effectively by avoiding barriers in various formal and informal situations. Give presentation by using audio visual aids. Practical learning outcomes draft technical paper in IEEE format. Practical skills use computer systems including language lab software. Use computer systems including language lab software. Develop speaking and presentation skills. Relevant affective domains related outcomes are follow safely practices, demonstrate working in a leader, an individual, or a team members, minimize theoretical backgrounds like knowledge of IEEE format of technical paper, vocabulary, syntax, pronunciation, and intonation is required for effective technical paper presentations. It is very important. Okay, technical paper, its vocabulary, syntax, pronunciations, intonation is required for the effective technical paper presentations. Now let's discuss experimental setups. The language lab with relevant software and open learning resources, yeah, sources. Next, procedures. The procedures. Log in your account, yeah, student console, assign folders, read, understand the instruction from the practical manual, assignment document, and discuss the understanding with your facilitators. Visit IEEE technical paper web sources. Follow the IEEE format. Refer the standard format. Select a specimen technical paper available on open sources. Follow the technical specification for designing the paper. Finalize the paper in consultations with facilitators and print and submit the assignments. So you should know. Visit IEEE technical paper web sources. Follow the IEEE format like title, author's name, organization's name, abstract, keywords, introductions, topics, sub by subtopics, last conclusions, and last references. These are the standard and very simple format of IEEE format. You should be familiarized with the same things. Refer the standard format. Select a specimen technical paper available on open sources. Follow the technical specification for designing the paper. Finalize the paper in consultation with facilitators. Precautions: follow safety guidelines while using language laboratory. Handle headphones carefully and do not insert pen drives, a memory card in the laboratory computers. Okay, these are the theoretical informations. Now we are dealing with now specimen copy. How to write a technical paper presentation using IEEE format. Okay, 1 minute. This is our technical paper. Look at this. Title title is very important. First, title, name of author and organizations, then abstracts. Here is title: an empirical an empirical comparison by data mining classification techniques for diabetes dataset diabetes datasets. An empirical comparison an empirical comparison by data mining classification techniques for diabetes datasets. It is written by Nilesh Jagdish Vispute, MTech scholar, our Nilesh sir, Department of Computer Science, Sri Satya Sai College of Engineering, Bhopal, MP, India. Dinesh Kumar Sahu, PhD scholar, Department of Computer Science, Barkulla University, Bhopal, MP, India, and Anil Rajput, Professor, Department of Mathematics and Computer Science, Government PG College, Shahar, MP, India. Abstracts. Data mining is a process of extracting information from a data set and transform it into understandable structure for further use. This is abstract beta. Abstract is very small, simple, lucid. It comprehend. It is a scenario. It is a panoramic view of our paper. Panoramic view means summary. In short, it is summary. Abstract, it is a summary of our paper. Next, keyword is very important. Keywords means new words like vakya, data mining, classification, diabetic disease predictions. Next, introductions. In introductions we can introduce something else. Next, related work means actual paper. थर्ड है ओवरव्यू ऑफ प्रपोज अप्रोच, उसमें 3.1 है वेका, उसमें भी सब टॉपिक्स है. नेक्स्ट 3.2 है क्लासिफिकेशंस. इट आल्सो एडेड सब टॉपिक्स करेक्टली क्लासिफाइड एक्यूरेसी, इनकरेक्टली क्लासिफाइड एक्यूरेसी. 3.23 मेन एब्सोल्यूट एरर्स, टाइम, रोका एरिया. 3.3 है डेटा माइनिंग टेक्निक्स, उसमें भी वन है बेटा 3.3 एक्सप्लोरर इंटरफेस. 3.3.2 experimental interface. Okay, these are the 3.3.3 knowledge flow interface. This is all technical terms. For results or discussions, tables also. 5 है बेटा conclusions या future work, and 6 that is a references. References means they follow the papers या books. So this is a structure beta. 6 references, 5 conclusions या future works, 4th results and discussions. These are the topics: data mining techniques. 3.1 Veka and 3.2 classifications is introductions, related work, keywords and abstracts, title and name of author along with their organizations. This is a format of IEEE format. In this format means title, clearly mention the title, name of the writers along with his organizations. Abstracts means summary, keywords means new words, introductions. Okay, introductions. After introductions, topic by topic discussions, its result, conclusions and references. These are the 6 formats, 6 stages of IEEE format. Okay, I hope you can understand it. Same, yeah, any one paper as per your choice, you should stick the same paper, yeah, any paper as per your choice, stick in these assignments. I hope you can understand it. Okay, thank you.